everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Question.
For the first time you are working with Ekta Kapoor ma'am, so how excited you are?
Well, it's the first time I'm working with Ekta, and I think it's high time I work with her because she has been one of the pioneer television company, and since I started doing television a few years ago, of course I've done 3 shows only selectively, so this was one show I was quite excited about because not only because it's a Balaji production, but also because it's one of the very, I would say, big level productions, a lot of glamour, and content also is more contemporary. It's not the typical saas bahu types, family dramas. It's a family, but it's a family full of positivity, love, affection, and of course problems are always there in a family, but it's treated in a more contemporary manner in today's time, which we all identify with. Because I have noticed most of people, when they see television serials, they say, gosh, she can't identify with this typical overdressed women and the ones who, as you know, Ekta said herself, she said, I don't want कि वो अपने bedroom से निकले तो she's in her full sari with her gehnas on. No, I want very natural as we are in real life. So that is something which they're going to try and make it. They talk normally, they dress normally, they behave normally, and they're as you know, जो नोक झोंक भी होती है, तकरार भी होता है, प्यार भी होता है. So all those things are normal in a family, like how I would be with my kids, or you know, anybody else would be with their parents. So that's a very good, feel-good thing about this serial, and I'm looking forward to it.
लुक काफी वाइड दिख रहा है आपका, तो किस तरह के लुक में आप नजर आए हैं?
See, इसमें look elegant है, overdressed नहीं है, but yet they're a very wealthy family. So they're super wealthy, so obviously their quality of dressing will be more elite. और मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा dressy लग रही हूँ क्योंकि पार्टी का सीक्वेंस है. But other than that, जैसे एक you know, upper, I would say, society or upper middle class बोलो या upper society की एक औरत होगी, she will wear elegant and classy clothes. So I'll be in semi-westerns also, and Indian also, and Indo-western. So the look is going to be more contemporary also.
अच्छा, अगर शो की बात की जाए तो ऐसी एक आपको लगता है USP क्या होगी शो की?
USP तो ये होगी कि मैं हूँ शो में. USP ये होगी कि it's a very grand show, so it's going to be very soothing to the eyes. It's going to be very positive and a good social message in the terms of कि आपकी family सबसे important चीज़ है, and family में अगर थोड़ी अनबन होती है, it's normal, ताकि आप ये समझे नहीं कि मेरी family में अगर एक छोटा सा माँ बाप का आपस में झगड़ा हो गया means the family is breaking up. No, there is love, there is affection, and there can be difference of opinions. It needn't be like breakups. It could be just opinion difference, and that is what is very nice in these characters कि वो एक दूसरे से अगर ना भी बोलते हैं ये बात मुझे पसंद नहीं है, तो उसको logically बताते हैं कि क्यों आप इस तरह से नाराज हो रहे हो. इसमें कौन सी, like we just did a scene with the daughter where she is fighting with her father because he is following her on Instagram or whatever the social medias, and he is kind of giving her comments, and she doesn't want her father to follow her on her social media, which is normal. My daughter hasn't added me to some of her social medias, so it is something which is, today's kids don't want that their parents should be, as they say, stalking us on their social media. So these kind of आज के ज़माने की जो बातें हैं, those are very much I would say taken into consideration in how families, you know, the younger ones and the different generations interact with each other.
How is it working with the other co-actors on set?
Well, I'm just started working last 2 days, and Vijay Anand is my co-actor in this, and all these young, beautiful youngsters are there. I think I've shot with Gurpreet and Karan and all these young people. So I'm looking forward to getting to know them better since we've just started the shoot. But I think they're all very hardworking. They've been working day and night, and that is something very amazing about television. They'll be shooting till 5 in the morning and then again back on the set at 7, 8 in the morning. So that commitment is very, I see that all the time on television.
मैम अगर कंसेप्ट की बात की जाए तो ऑन टीवी स्क्रीन्स ऑलरेडी लव सागा बहुत ही अलग-अलग तरीके से पोर्ट्रे कर चुके हैं. What different is your show gonna give the audience?
See, the population of the world is probably 1 billion something, and everybody has a different love story. So when you say a love saga, everybody's love story is unique in a way. You know, if you are 10 people in this room, each of us has a different story, and each of us has a different nature. Each of us reacts to the same situation differently. So that is where the drama comes in, because human beings are so different yet so alike. We all feel the same thing. We feel love, we feel affection, anger, sadness, letdown, all the various emotions, but they're all different for each of us. So I would say that is the novelty of human beings. So we may have the similar things and we react differently.
Lastly, viewers को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Viewers को यही कहूँगी कि I'm sure you all are looking forward to this very, very grand show, and also I'm sure you love it because a lot of effort has been put in, and I have seen the way Ekta works on her scripts. My goodness, for a person who is handling so many shows, she is so involved in each of her shows and each character and each emotion. And I know that in this very script she has scrapped a few scenes and no, this is not up to the standard, I want it written again. So you know, that kind of perfectionism at work is something which I have understood makes Balaji Films and Ekta and Shraddha Kapoor the women who are so super successful in their endeavors in television because of their hard work. And that I think is going to make this show very special, and I'm sure all of you look forward to that. Please do watch it and give us feedback on our social media handles, and we'll try and incorporate all your suggestions.
Thank you. Rolling.
Hi, this is Poonam Jalan and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.